Hi, I'm Enzo.
Hi, I'm Cruz.
And today we got the decorations, so now we're gonna decorate the tree. The first thing is the lights, right here. These are a lot. That's not all.
I'm for Christmas. Come and make it. Let me do it. They're on the tree.
Do you like them, Mommy? The tree?
Wow, this is crazy cool. I really like it. I was not expecting it to be like this because I couldn't see it before. But now it looks super pretty, so yeah, I really like it. So now it's time to put the decorations in. Okay, let's open them. Now that we opened them, it's time to put them on the tree. So next we're going to put on these golden leaves. We don't have many of them. We only have 4, so we got to spare them. You just crossed the red zone. Yep, exactly like this. You can put the last golden leaf right here. This one's my favorite, so let's do them first. Next we're going to do these big ornaments. My theme was kind of like a red, black, and gold. That's why we have those gold ones, some black ones, and that one that we're gonna open, and then some white. Put that one on, and then I want this one that kind of looks like a Pokemon. These are some white snowflakes.
Looking good.
Good. Good. This is terrible. I mean, it does look good. No, I think that looks good. So you see these hooks right here? They go to those ornaments. So we're going to need to put these on those and then put those on these. So I'm just going to put this. One of these. I got one. I'm gonna attach it onto here and then put it on the tree. I'm gonna put it right here.
You gonna help, Mommy? Here, you wanna put one on the tree? Wanna put one on? Okay. Look at the tree. Do you like the tree, Mommy?
Yeah.
You don't wanna do it?
Do you want to do the pink one?
Are you gonna help, Cruz?
Who made the heart with the candy canes?
You helping, Mommy? Hook it on.
Now we're going to put on the special ornaments, golden icicles, and these white icicles. They look really nice, so let's put them on the tree. We'll just put one right here. And that's the first one of many. Last but not least, my 2 favorite ornaments. A zombie from Minecraft and Pikachu from Pokemon. We're going to put them on the tree because we saved the best for last. Where should I put Pikachu? Next to the gold tinsel. And then I'm going to put zombie right here. This is our final result, so we're going to see what happens when we turn the lights off. Ready? That's everything. All the lights are turned off. The whole thing's sparkling. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.